In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit user information in DocuSign. Whether you're managing a team or simply need to update some details, this process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive into it. First, start by navigating your way to the DocuSign platform. Once you're logged in, your first stop will be the Admin tab. You should see this tab prominently displayed at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will open up your admin settings, providing you with a comprehensive overview of all the settings you can manage. Once you're in the admin settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find a vertical menu, or panel, with different options. You'll need to scroll down through this panel until you reach the section labeled Users. Click on this, and it will lead you to a list of all the users currently associated with your DocuSign account. Now, you'll be presented with a handy list of every user that has access to your account. Beside each user's name, you'll notice an Actions button. This is your gateway to making any necessary changes. Find the user whose information you need to update from this list. Once you've identified the right user, you go ahead and click on this Actions drop-down or button, and from the options presented, choose Edit. This is where you can make all the necessary updates to the user's information. You'll be able to see various fields containing the user's current details. These might include anything from their name, email address, role within the account, or other pertinent information you might need to modify. Carefully go through each field and make any necessary edits. It's important when making these changes to double-check your work, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Once you are satisfied with the updates you've made, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a Save Changes button. Clicking this is a crucial final step, as it confirms and applies the changes you've made. It's always a good habit to review the information one last time before saving, just to ensure everything looks correct and is set exactly as you want it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully edited user information on DocuSign. It's as straightforward as that. Remember, keeping user information current and accurate is not only a best practice, but also essential for maintaining the integrity and security of your account. Thanks for watching, and happy managing on DocuSign.